I need you, baby, I want you, baby, but I see lies.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and I'm just gonna show y'all how I installed this hair and how I crimped it to get these views. So if you want to know how I got this look, just hey guys, I'm not going to do too much talking in this video, but I will say that to crimp my hair, I basically have a 3-step process, and that is to oil, to spray with free spray, and then just to simply crimp. I'm just taking my crimping irons, I'm leaving them on there for about 10 seconds. This video is slightly sped up, and the way I'm crimping, you guys can clearly see I'm not doing anything too major. I'm just going down, and you'll be able to see. A major thing to crimps are to keep combing the hair as you go, because if you don't comb, the hair won't be straight in the crimping iron, and that just won't be a good crimp. The free spray, I like to use a lot of it, especially on the ends, because the ends is what will fall first. This free spray is good to really get them to stay. I personally like how the crimps look better when they stick together versus the fallout look, and my crimps did end up falling out because I went to sleep and I put my bonnet on and they just fell. So that was that. And for my comb, I'm using a very small fine tooth comb. The finer, the more that you could get it straight through the hair to make sure it's nice and straight. You don't have to use that comb, but that's just what I like. I'm not sure what heat setting this iron is on, because it doesn't have one. I got this from my beauty supply. If you're in Chicago, it's around 115th and Racine. And I'm not sure what this is even called, but I will try to look it up and link it in the description box. And I will link in all my other products that I used. And this is just my way of doing it. And I'm just going to let you guys watch. And I'll be back later.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay guys, so I'm back. You all saw the finishing product for the crimps. I just want to say that this install is normally not as nice and neat and precise as I normally do it. As you will see, the way that I leave this cap on is kind of bogus. It starts coming up. Normally when I do my ball caps, it is nice and laid, but on this one it's not. And for some reason on this install, I decided to put makeup on the way I normally wouldn't do it. Normally I would do it while the cap is actually dry, but I did it after I had sprayed it with free spray, and that's for me backwards. And these scissors were just dull, so this cap method was just like bunk. It was not normally how I would do it, but in the end it still worked out, as you will see in the end.
first impression. You OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.